everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created for you this winter fresh face look. I was just thinking like I want to feel like I was trying to think like of a look that I wanted to do, and I was like I want like to incorporate, of course, like the fact that it's winter, but I want to feel fresh and still dewy too. And so yeah, this is the look I created. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel down below. Click the little red thing and then click the little bell right next to it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about this look. And if you're interested in seeing this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I really want to go for like a nice winter fresh face, I guess you could say. So I just went in with my Witch Hazel, the Thayer's Witch Hazel, my absolute favorite. I go in with my argan oil. Sorry, forgot about that. So I just would like to do a couple drops of this and kind of just like pat it in. I hope everybody had a good New Year. I didn't really do much. I stayed at home, it was still nice though. Just, you know, just being safe. I was happy. I was good. I was happy. And then New Year's Day, I cooked, and then my mom and my brothers and my mom's husband came over. So we just had some wine and had a good time. But I hope everybody else had a nice, safe holiday also. And this is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. So the prep is very important. Of course, my skin has been extremely dry right now. I was thinking, I picked this up like a little while ago online through Ulta, and so I got, it's the True Match Lumi Glotion, a natural glow enhancer. I got this one in 904 Deep Glow. You know, when you look online, especially if you order stuff on Ulta, the stuff never, I swear I have the worst trouble when it comes to matching online, like with Ulta. If I order things through Sephora, then the color is usually like fine, but for some reason every time I order with Ulta, it's always wrong. So this said deep, and I was like, oh, it does look dark, but I was like, I don't think it's gonna be that dark. Well, it came and it was pretty dark. I was like, oh, okay, that's really good. Like it could really bronze you. I can't wait till summertime to use this like all over like my shoulders and stuff. I'm actually like extremely pale right now, but that's okay. So I'm not gonna use that much of this. It just, I think I've only used it once. I just got it like not too long ago, like sometime in like November, I think. But as you can see, it just gives like a nice little glow. It reminds me of like self tanner, but like not as intense, obviously. It's like a self bronzer because it looks more bronzy than it does tan. But anyway, so I'm gonna do this, and I think I'm going to I don't know if I want to put it on by itself or if I want to mix it with my foundations. Today I'm gonna use I don't even know if I honestly don't know for sure if they still have this in the stores. I don't know, I think they do. But these are the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I had tried the matte and poreless when they came out, and it was just so bad because I just didn't know how to work with my skin at that time. Like I was like, oh no, this is terrible. I need the dewy one. But I couldn't find a good shade for me, so I just picked up these two. This is 330 Toffee and 240 Golden Beige. You guys, my face has been breaking out so bad. So I've been gone for a while, and that's because I had well, we went out of town for Christmas, but before, like when I put my last video up, I was catching the flu and I didn't realize it. I thought I had a sinus infection. Like I thought like maybe I had a little cold or a sinus infection, but when we went out of town for Christmas, I was fine. Like I did have trouble like when we went over went through the elevation changes or whatever, like my head started hurting, and so that's when I really thought for sure like, oh, it's just sinus pressure, you know. But no, when we got back, I was so sick, and my son was sick too. So like my youngest son, I was like, what the heck? My oldest son was sick while we were gone, and then he got better like pretty quickly. He was sick the whole time we were gone though. And then my youngest son, as soon as we came back, he was sick, and I was like, oh my goodness, what the heck? So I had the flu, and then I just kept like feeling like like one day I would feel sick, and then the next day that day I would rest all day, the day I felt sick, and then the next day I would rest all day, and then I would feel better the next day when I would get up. And so I was like, okay, like I'll start doing stuff, get busy, and I'll probably like overexert myself, and then the next day again I'm feeling sick again. So it was like that for the past 2 weeks. I've been like dealing with that, like symptoms of the flu. And then to top that all off, everybody else got sick in my family too. Like my husband was sick too, my other children got sick too. So I was just like, oh my gosh, like what the heck. So that's what I was going through. I'm gonna do my Tarte CC under eye corrector to color correct these dark circles. Oh, what I was saying, while I was so sick, my skin has been breaking out so bad. You guys, I'm not trying to like be like brag or anything, but I've always had pretty clear skin. I've never had to deal with, you know, acne or, you know, things like that. Like there's only been, since I've been an adult, or since I've had my youngest child, my skin has kind of done some weird things, and I'm like, what the heck. But most of the time it's usually like I might get like a blemish or a pimple like once every 2 to 3 months, like, and I'll be like, oh, okay, whatever, no big deal. But this past 2 weeks my face was just breaking out, and I was like, what is going on? Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Like it was, but yeah, like my skin breaking out like that was something very new for me, and I was just like, oh my goodness, you know, because your body is so busy fighting off, you know, the flu or the sickness and stuff like that. So it's not really focused on like, oh, your skincare, like keeping your skin clear and healthy. So anyway, let me go ahead and get into this. I'm just talking up a storm. So now that I've done that, I am going to go in with the foundations. I'm going to go ahead and mix them. I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand. Okay, so I mixed in a little bit more of the darker shade. Okay, so I went in and went on ahead and did my brows. Sephora Bright Future Gel, I don't know, concealer. I don't think I have much in here. You guys, this stuff goes so fast. It is unbelievable. It's like that yellowness that it has. I don't find that with like a lot of other concealers. I might have to mix. This is like exactly my skin tone. I probably should have put it on first. Oh, it looks really light on camera, but no, it's not. It's like in person, it's not that setting under the eye with lashed loose translucent face powder, whatever it's called. And I have mixed in here with my this stuff, whatever it's called, RCMA. I don't know why I can't think of names of things. You guys, I tried to film a video the other day. Like I wanted to have like a video up already because I had started feeling better like a few days ago, but that video went so awry. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth. This is necessary. I'm just gonna use my NYX No Filter powder. Now I'm gonna go with my Milani Bellissimo Bronze Big Powder Blush. And I think like for once I'm not gonna do like a serious highlight. I don't know, I might be lying. Oh, this is driving me crazy. I guess I didn't put enough gel on the back of my hair, like to hold this back. Oh, I don't know. I'm all out of my edge control, so yeah. So you guys, let me know down below, what did you guys do for New Year's? Did you do anything special, or did you have any? Do you guys have any traditions that you do for like New Year's Day? So on the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Master Mario palette with a really fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Isabel, and I'm just gonna lightly dust that across the crease. Like I don't want to do too much. I'm trying and not only put that in the crease, but adjust it kind of all over. Okay, so then I'm gonna take Lula. Yeah, that's what it's called, Lula, and just very lightly pack it into the inner and outer corner. And this is like a real cool tone color, which I usually don't go for, but I really want to get into more like cools and neutrals. Of course, I'm a warm tone person. I'm really yellow, so warm tone shadows are what I go for, plus they're easier to work with. But I really want to get into more cool tones, honestly. And then I'm going to go back in with Isabel just a little bit. I'm not creating like a super fancy look. I'm just putting a little bit of color on the lid. I think I'm going to take Marina from this palette. That's this shade right here. This was such a pretty palette. You guys, I just love it so much. And then I'm just gonna blend right around here. I'm gonna take one more bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. You guys, I don't think they make this anymore. This is my favorite bronzer, and yeah, I don't think they make it anymore. I'm really sorry. I don't know like how you could find it, but it's one of my favorites. But I'm just gonna take it. I don't use it often because I try and savor it. And just put a little bit more depth right here around my cheekbones. Okay, and that piece of this is driving me crazy right now. Like, I don't know what it's doing, seriously. It's really irritating me. And then right in the corners, just put a little bit more depth in there. Might as well just do it right around the nose too. Anyways, so now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some Mario Badescu. And you guys, I'm running out and I still haven't picked any. I have so many things I need to go pick up, like yeah, it's spraying really bad. Look at that. Oh, oh, because it's hardly in the end there. And then I'm gonna take the Cover FX. I figured out how to work this. Instead of spritzing like, you just spray like, because it's a long continuous spray. And I was like, huh, okay. Like I did it at one time and I was like, oh, that's how it works. So instead like, maybe like, just like, done, like, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on and then pick a lip color. Okay, so I just put a little bit of mascara on, and I always use Lash Stiletto. I'm thinking about moving on to a new mascara, which is crazy because I've been using this mascara since, I don't know, but it's been a long time. I'm gonna take, I put on some mascara. Did I do anything else? Oh, I just gelled my hair. But I'm gonna take this Rimmel, no, NYX, sorry. NYX Wonder Pencil in medium. And I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. Yeah. I love the way that does, like how that does that. It just makes you look like more like, hi, you know? So I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. natural lip lacquer. You guys, I found this at the Dollar Tree. Obviously they have it at Target and stuff too, I guess, but I was in the Dollar Tree and I just so happened to find this. So I'm gonna hit this on. I know it looks a mess, but we can fix that. Nutmeg by NYX. And I'm gonna go back in with my Bellissima. And I really should put something on these dang brows because they keep moving. Oh my gosh. That's the look that I was going for. Just like a nice winter fresh face. And I hope you enjoy. And I can't wait to make more videos. I feel like I was really disappointed that I got sick for the beginning of the year because it just kind of put a damper on like what I plan to do like on my channel. Like I was doing good, uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like, you know, last month, December. And then January came and I was sick and I was like, oh, I just couldn't. I couldn't really do anything. It was terrible. It was terrible. Like when I was feeling like well enough, I had to get up and clean or I was still taking care of somebody else. So it was really hard for me, you guys. Like, I know it's like not an excuse or whatever, but I just hate that it had to happen that way. Guys, I'm so shocked I'm not putting on a highlight right now, but I feel like this looks good like with that one. Well, I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm so happy that I could make this video for you guys. I would love to see a comment down below letting me know what you guys think. Please leave me a comment. I love reading your guys' comments and I love replying back to them. I think I've replied back to everybody. If I haven't, like, maybe because you only put like eyes or something like that, like heart eyes, but I really do try hard to reply back to everybody. It means a lot to me, like, just to know that like somebody out there took the time out of their day to watch my video and then say something nice to me. Like, that means so much to me, you guys. Like, it really does. And I'm not trying to make it seem like I have like thousands of people responding to me, because I don't, but like just like the few of you that do, that means a lot to me. But I also can't wait to film more videos for you guys, and I have a lot of things, like ideas already planned, so can't wait for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the little red thing, subscribe, click the bell right next to it down below, and also thumbs up this video and share it with somebody if you think somebody else would like this winter fresh makeup look. Please share it with them on your social media. I really would like to grow my channel, so yeah, help me out and just share the video. Thank you. I'd appreciate that. And I'll leave an index card up here also for you guys if you're interested in my regular foundation routine and how I get my dry skin, keep my dry skin like looking dewy like under foundation. So yeah, I'll leave that right up here if you guys are interested. It'll be like a little eye, just click it. And then also check out some other videos on my channel and let me know what you guys think. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful for you. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.